I'm Louise Mason, Service Learning Coordinator at Morehead State University. Service learning is one of the high-impact educational practices included in the MSU's Quality Enhancement Plan. Service learning is a partnership between a community organization, students, and an MSU faculty or staff member. Service learning can be part of a course in which you may be enrolled or a project organized by a student organization. Faculty collaborate with a community partner to identify a problem or issue that students could solve. For example, event planning and public relations students design fundraisers called Bark in the Park and Doggy Derby to benefit Saving the Animals of Brown, the Tri-County Animal Shelter, and DUBS, the local domestic violence shelter. Computer-aided drafting students worked with the city of West Liberty after it was destroyed by tornadoes to provide possible designs for restaurants and community use spaces. Education students worked with the Halden and Hayes Crossing Community Center to provide homework help and enrichment activities to grade and middle school students as part of an after-school program. Vet Tech students worked with the Greyhound Rescue Group to provide job shadowing to young women in the Morehead Youth Development Center, and vaccinations, checkups, and teeth cleanings to retired greyhounds so that they could be adopted. These are just a few examples of the types of projects you could be involved in. Service learning gives you the opportunity to make an impact in your community while applying academic concepts you've been studying in your classes. You're treated like a paid employee and get to practice showing up on time, following a dress code, and maintaining client confidentiality. After judging a middle school business competition, an entrepreneurship and innovation student said their service learning experience helped them see how material in the textbook could be applied to any business at any level, and they felt more confident about business planning as a whole after judging the competition. MSU is focused on ensuring you develop the 8 career competencies identified by the National Association of Colleges and Employers as very important for college graduates to possess before graduation. Enrolling in service learning courses allows you to take your career preparation to the next level by developing the key skills of critical thinking, communication, teamwork, and professionalism. Your critical thinking skills are improved by applying academic concepts to a real problem in the community. You will work as a team with your faculty project advisor, one or more diverse people from the community agency, and possibly other students. This will give you another example when an employer asks you, tell me about a time when you worked as part of a team. Service learning gives you the hands-on experience to become more confident and prepared with the skills desired by employers in your chosen field. Many academic programs at MSU have one or more service learning courses as part of their core requirements. If you're not already in a program that requires service learning, the experience sounds interesting to you, contact me at sa.mason@moreheadstate.edu or come to my office in the basement of Camden Carroll